How to treat a sinus infection in just 20 seconds. Do you possess a thumb and a tongue? If you do, you'll be able to clear your sinuses in just 20 seconds because you'll already have everything you need. A sinus infection or the common cold are only two health conditions that might cause a stuffy nose. Your nasal tube expands and becomes obstructed as a result of the sinus cavities lining becoming inflamed by irritants, germs, or viruses, making it difficult for you to breathe. With this natural cure, you might not have to wait a week to breathe easily once more if you have nasal congestion. Are you prepared to relax? Take these easy actions. Put your thumb in between your eyebrows and press your tongue towards the roof of your mouth. For 20 seconds, apply pressure with your thumb. Your sinuses will then start to drain. How does it work? You might be wondering how a small amount of pressure on a bone can cause sinus drainage. The technique has a scientific justification. The bone rocks back and forth as a result of this procedure, claims Lisa DiStefano, D.O., an assistant professor at the Michigan State University College of Osteopathic Medicine. Your sinuses can discharge because of the back and forth motion's ability to relieve congestion. Don't head straight to your local pharmacy just yet if the method indicated above doesn't work for you. These ingredients may already be in your home. Try these 4 organic home cures. Turmeric. Curcumin, a component of turmeric, contributes to the anti-inflammatory effects of this spice. Your next meal may benefit from a sprinkle of turmeric to help relieve the sinus blockage brought on by nasal inflammation. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar 3 times per day or combine 8 ounces of warm water with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon of honey. In a few days, your nasal issues should be resolved. You may also heat up a mixture of half a cup of apple cider vinegar and half a cup of water on the stove, close your eyes, and inhale the steam. 3. Oil of oregano. Although oregano oil isn't as commonly available or as inexpensive as the mentioned natural cures, you may still use it to effectively treat sinus congestion by ingesting it or steaming it over the stove. This oil works well to treat sinus infections. 4. Nasal saline irrigation. Although a saline rinse is not the most comfortable option, many individuals use it to clean their sinuses. 1 cup of warm water and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt or pickling salt can make the mixture. To clear the sinuses, this rinse is poured into one nostril and out the other. Ask someone to help you if you have never performed a saline rinse before, and carefully read and adhere to the directions on the package. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.